get you some of that. I hope we will not wake up. Ladies and gentlemen, the future icon of Magma. But it is much more relevant than that. It is the canvas for yet another motorsport project. We intend to develop the Magma GT as a customer racing program in the GT3 category. Usually we say, fasten your seatbelts, but tonight it's about tightening your racing harness.
Very much, Luc. And that truly is the cherry on top here at the end of our show. Thank you for this extraordinary surprise. This was an extraordinary show anyway, and now I think it's time to say goodbye to you. For now, enjoy the rest of the evening, obviously, and let's give him one more big round of applause. Luc,
Thank you.
amazing.
Thank you.
Absolutely amazing. And now, to close our premiere, let's welcome back one more time, Jose Munoz. Come on, Jose. You got to share with us now. How do you feel after this premiere?
Mamma mia.
Magma. You're going to find that word in the dictionary. And looking at the gentleman here, Andre and Pipo, is this part of the plan? What are you doing? Gentlemen?
Oh my God, did they pay?
I don't know. They're not even reacting.
We need to produce more.
They're so focused on the car. I guess you have...
Well...
Yeah, all right.
Well, Chris, I think we have the first customers already.
The first customers, and now you're going to have to produce that car faster. That's
Absolutely. We'll get it done. We'll get it done, for sure.
So, thank you very much, Jose. You also enjoy the rest of the evening. Any last final?
Absolutely. So, thank you all for this magnificent evening.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.